First, take out of all items from the package. The package includes pet automatic feeder, power adapter, cable, desiccant, user manual and of accessories. Put the desiccant in the desiccant box. Fix the top lid onto the hopper. Power the feeder using the included charging kit. Plug the USB cable into the power adapter. Plug the power adapter into the power outlet. Plug the other end of the USB cable into the USB port on the bottom of the feeder. After the pet feeder is powered on, a beep sounds. Snap the food tray into place by aligning the slots in the bottom of the feeder. Both food tray are installed the same way. Press and hold record until you hear beep to start recording, and release to stop recording. When you hear the sound of beep, start recording the sound. Short press feed button dispenses 1 meal. Long press feed button, continuous feeding, release to stop. Press and hold 8-10 seconds reset button, full factory reset.
Click Login to jump to the login page.
Tick the checkbox in front of the agreement. Choose your country, such as America. Click on the Apple logo at the bottom and select Continue to log in.
First, make sure your phone's Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are turned on, and run the app. Click Add Device. Click Smart Video Feeder. Enter the Wi-Fi name as well as the password and click Next. Wait for the connection to succeed and click Done. Click Add Device. Click Small Home Appliances. Click Pet Feeder with camera 2.4 GHz 5 GHz. Check the box and click Next. Enter Wi-Fi name and password. Click Next. It will jump to the interface to prompt to scan the QR code with camera. The camera is about 15 to 20 centimeters away from the mobile phone lens. When you hear prompt sound, the scan was successful. Click I heard a prompt. When the progress reaches 100%, connection complete. Click Done in the upper right corner of the main screen.
After connecting the feeder, you will enter this interface, where you can customize the feeding plan and view the feeding records. Set the feeding time, number of days, and portion size in the following order. Click Save to save the feeding plan. You can also manually select the portion size and click Feed for a manual feeding. Feed record, view the history of past feedings. Click HD Live View to enter the video interface. Screenshot, capture pet photos and save them to your album. Screen record, shows the pet eating and the amount of food on the tray. Gallery, view image gallery. Full screen, tap to view video in full screen. Volume, adjust the feeder volume. Playback, view the video playback recorded by the feeder's camera. Two-way audio, allows you to communicate with your pet through sound. Private mode, turn off the camera and screen will go black. Night vision, even at night, the camera can capture clear images. Voice, turn it on to hear sound from the feeder. Voice record, turn it on to record the sound emitted by the feeder. You can also use the plus or minus buttons below to select a portion and then click Feed for manual feeding. Click More to see more features. Click the Edit icon to enter the editing interface. In the editing interface, you can name the device, share it, delete it, and more. Gently lift the feeder and remove the food tray. The other side is done the same way. To open, press both buttons on the lid and lift up. To remove the hopper, press and hold the black buttons on both sides and lift it up. Installation guide. Tilt the feeder back to place the tray, then return to upright. Align the hopper with the mounting slots, and gently press down until it clicks into place. Squeeze the buttons on both sides and press down to secure it.